free Android app development course for beginners to get hired, right? So this course is going to be held on YouTube, and I'm going to hold your hand and walk you through, teach you all the concept behind Android app development, right? So what am I doing this after getting my I've been into this programming world for a couple of 5 years now, right? All what I've been focusing on was on web development, but I started learning Android development over the past, let's say, 2 years ago, right? Then within 1.5 year, I got my first development job, right? So it's like this is actually the it's been 3 days. It's been 3 days now since I got my paycheck, right? So I think like Android pays more than being a web developer. So I was actually working as a full stack web developer, both working on the front end and the back end, right? But I got into Android where I was working only on the back end and sometimes a little bit user interface, right, on the front end, right? So mostly my current job I focus on back end and focus on the back end, not that much on the front end, right? But I see like the payment in Android that pays much better than being a web developer, right? Web does pay too, but trust me, Android does pay more than web, right? So this course I just want to help you guys to out there, right? If you want to actually learn Android development, I'm going to hold your hand. This is going to be a one-on-one course, right? It's going to be held on YouTube, but it's going to be like a one-on-one course where I'll be an instructor. I'll leave my email after every tutorial, so that if you don't understand me you can contact me personally and I'll respond to you personally, right? So it's going to be a free course. There's no payment involved, right? So all that you need to do if you want to take part in this, you just need to click on it and then subscribe to the channel for all the upcoming tutorials, right? It's going to be a easy tutorials because I'm assuming you know nothing about Android, right? So if you are wondering if it's going to be based on the Kotlin or whatever, it's going to be a Java, right? Java and Android Studio, right? I'm going to walk you through how to set everything and get started with everything. And trust me, after everything, I'm going to give you. I also do the during my interview, right? I showed a two projects, right? But one was kind of being considered and the other was what kind of they made a bit complaint about it, right? So I'm going to give you hacks and then going to give you the other project that I did. We are going to develop the other project that I did that got me hired, right? We are going to develop that too, right? And I'll give you all the concept that will get you what your first Android development job, right? So click on the bell icon, just subscribe to the channel. If you don't understand anything to I will leave my email there after every comment, after every tutorial. If you don't understand, just ask your question, I will answer you. Well, it's gonna be a one-on-one tutorial. There's no payment involved, so just get started and then I will see you there. Have a nice day.